In this video, we're gonna learn how can we create a devil face effect while hover on any image. So without wasting any time, let's move to our coding part. I had already added some image in my image folder. Now I'm gonna create a index.html file. Now press tab. I'm gonna change the title. I'm giving it title of devil effect. Also I need to add jQuery. So let's link jQuery in our HTML file. Now inside the body part, I'm gonna use our image tag, and in the source I'm giving the path one of image from my image folder. Now I'm giving it ID that we will use while the animation part. Also I'm giving it some style. I'm giving it height of 500 pixel. Also I'm giving it width of 500 pixel as well. And I'm giving it position of absolute. Also I'm giving it uh, there is some syntax error. Yeah, now I'm giving it margin. From top it will be 30%, and from left it will be 40%. Yeah, that's fine. Now self close the tag, copy this tag and paste it 2 times. Now I'm gonna change the source of image. Also I'm gonna change the style. For third image I'm giving uh, from top it will be 26, and from left it will be 40%. Also I'm giving it a opacity of 0. Like all of image are at absolute position, so at one time only one image will be shown. Do same thing for the second image. In second image I'm changing the margin from top, it will be only 15%, as I'll show the effect only uh, over the face section. That will be look so much better. That's fine. Here I'm gonna import some style, or you can create a separate style sheet. Here I'm gonna give some style to the body part, so I'm only giving background color of black to the body. Now I'm gonna use TimelineMax, and so let's import it here inside script tag. Yeah, that's fine. It's showing some error. You can import TweenMax and TimelineMax from GSAP library. You can find it easily, or you will find the link in the description. Let me correct this error. All this tag will be inside the uh, body, so body should be outside of it. Also, I had add extra script tag that was showing error, so remove this. Now all of things are fine. Now I'm going to use the jQuery. So $sign inside it, I'm giving the reference of our img tag and dot hover. Whenever we hover the image, then a function will be called. So inside its parenthesis, I'm using a function. Inside the function scope, yeah, we have to wrap all of this in the script tag. So now come to our functional scope. Inside it, I'm going to use another dollar symbol, and here I'm giving the reference of this. So this will automatically take the reference of our img tag, and for this I'm using dot attribute, and this will be for our source, and by separate with comma the another parameter should be a function. Inside function I'm using index and attribute. So let's create this scope function. Inside it, I'm going to create a variable img which will hold the reference of our image, first image. So document dot query selector. Inside it, I'm going to pass the id of our first image. So for id, I'll use hash symbol. Also, for all of three image, I had passed the same id. So let's change these. So img2, img3. Now do the same thing with the second image and third image as well. That's great. Now save all of these and let's see the output. At this time, we are able to see only one image as all of images are absolute position. Now I'm gonna create animation for this that will show the devil face effect. So for this, I'm gonna create an object of TimelineMax. So that's equal to new space TimelineMax. So by using its reference of tl.from2, that will start our animation. Inside it, we have to pass our id, and after by separate with comma, I have to give some time in which animation should be performed, and from opacity 1 to opacity 0. So first it will show the image, and in 0.2 second it will hide the image and show the second image. Just copy all of this and press enter and paste it here. Press enter one more time and paste it here again. So just change the id for every image, like img1, img2 and img3. Now I'm going to change this minus equal to 0.2. That will automatically start the animation before complete the first animation. So it will start the animation earlier of 0.2 second. Just copy this, all of these, and just paste it all of these below. Like whenever all of animation are completed, then the third image will show. So I want the thing like animation will move to first to third image and third to first image. So that will show effect opacity of 1 and I'm gonna start it earlier of 0.1 second. So save all of this. Like our animation will work. We will first we will show the our first image. After animation will go to first to third image, and when the third image will show, it automatically reverse the animation. It will come to the first image as well. So save all of these. Hopefully it will be work fine. And let me recheck this. Yeah, in image 3, I have to give opacity 0 to opacity 1. That will show the image at absolute position and hide the image our second image. By press enter, I'm gonna separate all of these. Like, let's see the output in the browser. Here you can see, while you hold the image, it will show the animation so fastly. So it changed the face with some animation with second image, and at last it saw the third image of devil face, and automatically it changed the reverse back to the face. Hope you all of enjoy this video. Give your suggestion in the comment section. Like and share the video, and if you are new, then subscribe the channel.